Hi. So right now it's November 3rd, Thursday, 2022. The BPS report was yesterday, went up by 75 points BPS at around 11:30 a.m. Pacific time. Okay, so for SPY, it's still behaving the way I anticipated. But it looks like it's gonna start heading down very soon, and if it breaks 350, it has a very strong chance of breaking 348, and that would be, I think, a good time to enter if you're going short. I'm not sure, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. Yeah, so I anticipated it would touch the resistance right here, this channel, but apparently it did not, and it wants to reverse earlier. But that would touch 400 and then go down, but apparently it's just going down right away. So there was like one, two, let's see. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like 14 days or 2 weeks of, turmoil of the market going up. Um, but everything, it's still like the U.S. economy is not doing so great right now. Production problems, apples and semiconductors and a bunch of other random stuff. Yeah, so the plan is, long story short, I think I might just add a position today onto my existing position, like 10 or 20% of the shares. So if I had 1,000 shares, I would add. Well, I mean, like if I had $10,000 originally, I would have been trading around, 70 or 80K right now, or 70 or 80% of it right now, and add in another 1,000 or $2,000 in, and then might add in another one. So I'll add in like today, somewhere right here. And then later, once it drops past 350, I might add in another round too, and then write it down to like probably 320. This looks like a support right here, like 320 right here, potentially, but realistically, it could drop all the way down to 220, which I do predict, because prior to, the pandemic and stuff, it dropped all the way down to 220. Right, that was 2019, that was not very long ago, so the support right here will get breached pretty fast and rapidly because, people can't afford houses and stuff, and then it'll go pew. But right here, I suspect could be a good time to unwind some and then add in again because, it bounced off the low, boom, and then boom. That's what I think is going to happen next. I mean, it's, change the colors. Boom. You know what? Whoa. Hold up. My perfectionistic personality of the colors. Very important. So yeah, I do predict this is going to be what's going to happen next. This is just a journal for me. So go here, up, down, and then probably dump around here. If the economy is really bad, then yeah, I'll just hold it longer. But I think 220 or 218 would be the lows, or around there, the 200s. Okay, so we look at the all times, max power. All right. So we see in the year 2008, the bubble or whatever that thing was. Boom. we see that it went all the way, it was, you know, around $68. Okay. So I just anticipate it'll be at 220 and bounce off this SMA line. But if it doesn't bounce off the SMA line, then probably my next target, especially if it breaks 200, it would probably be around 100. Alright, and if, you know, it's really, really, really extremely bad, then yeah, like $70. But I anticipate it will be around 220, but if I'm wrong, then I'll just keep holding. Alright guys, that's it, I think. Add into SQQQ or my short positions, and yeah, so when we trade SQQQ, we don't really need to look at, you know, patterns and stuff. What we need to look at is the index SPY to make our decision. Alright guys, adios.